Good afternoon, Roselle. Mayor Dansereau here with our weekly update about the COVID virus. I want to take a moment to go over some statistics with you and then to bring some information that is more positive. As of April 29th, yesterday, the borough of Roselle had 3 new COVID 19 cases. The total number of confirmed positive cases in the borough is currently 527, a 0.57% positive increase. The ages vary. I want to bring this to your attention because all too often people feel that the COVID virus mostly strikes those who are elderly, and statistically that may be so. However, we had a 59-year-old female positive, a 64-year-old female positive, and a 24-year-old male positive. They are not in the hospital at this time. They are recuperating at home. The communicable disease nurse case managers, along with the health educator, are conducting timely investigations per the CDC and the NJDOH protocols to identify the close contacts of these new cases, as well as daily monitoring of all other active cases to prevent the spread. The numbers for New Jersey are high. There are 116,264 total positive COVID 19 cases, with 6,770 deaths. In Union County, the number is 12,380 total positive cases, with deaths 653. These numbers are staggering at the state level because they go beyond the numbers we lost during 9/11 and some of our most prolific wars. All the more reason for continuing to monitor and stay safe by socially distancing and wearing masks when out and about, staying away from crowds, and limiting your entering places that you can put off till another day when everything has subsided. I'd like to bring a more positive update from Union County. Many of you may already have heard this on Governor Murphy's State of the Union address regarding parks and playgrounds. Roselle, all parks and playgrounds within the borough will remain closed until further notice. While that is so, to protect and prevent the spread in our community of the coronavirus, the Union County parks that are larger, like Warrenaco, will be open with the following restrictions as of May 2nd. All group activities, including picnics and other gatherings, remain prohibited. Only individual activities are permitted, such as walking, jogging, bicycling, and fishing. For these activities, individuals may be accompanied by family members, caretakers, household members, or romantic partners. Park visitors must stay, let me reiterate, must stay on marked paths and observe signage for social distancing. Park visitors are encouraged to wear masks. The following facilities remain closed until further notice: restrooms, picnic areas, athletic fields, playgrounds, and exercise stations, Trailside Nature and Science Center, the Warrenaco Sports Center, Watchon Stable, Echo Lake and Warrenaco dog parks. Visitors are advised to avoid congested areas when using pathways and trails, give way to others in order to maintain a 6-foot social distance. Visitors are also advised to observe other COVID-19 preventative measures, including washing of hands frequently, do not touch your face, cover your coughs and sneezes with tissue or elbow, do not go out if sick, stay away from sick people, and use a face mask for additional protection. Park visitors, please note, stay on the marked trails in order to preserve fragile native habitat in the county parks. They deserve protection as well. The taking of plants and other wildlife is prohibited. Share paved paths by keeping to the right unless passing others. Bicycles are permitted only on paved paths, and dogs must be kept on a leash at all times. All trash must be carried out where receptacles are full and unavailable. The county, asks you to please adhere to these regulations so that we can limit the spread of this virus and see us be able to open up all our recreation centers and programs in the near future. On another note, I'd like to mention I am very proud of Roselle and what they have achieved so far in terms of responding to our census. Over 52% of our population have actually filled out the census, but we need more. I mean, actually, I'm hoping to achieve 100% because that will mean so much to our community in terms of federal funding and representation. So good job, Roselle, but please, we still need those of you who have not, done the census form yet. Please do so. It only takes a few minutes and it means so much to all of us. Help us to matter and know that if you do, in the long run, we all benefit. Thank you on that point. I'd like to just include another message that we are working very hard on making sure that we help those residents most in need of relief. We have been conducting for well over a month and a half with a bevy of partners a food relief program. It has been one that we have done through registration and recommendation from a variety of sources in our community. And our intention eventually is to have a consistent and stable location in the center of a town where people can rely on in the future in need of a food bank that they can be registered on and be able to receive groceries on a frequent level if necessary. Right now, what we're doing is based on the partnerships we formed with other people, is feeding close to 450 people who have registered and qualify for this kind of support. It includes seniors, families, people with disabilities, children, adults, all of which are in need and will benefit from these programs. To register for food relief, contact NRUIZ, NRUIZ, at boroughofroselle.com. Thank you. Stay safe. God bless.